In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the CRM Excel template from PlanoraNest. This Excel template helps you stay organized without monthly subscriptions. Track your data with a live dashboard and smart dropdowns. Manage records on dedicated sheets that link together. Log activity and follow-ups without extra software. Everything lives in one spreadsheet you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or WPS. Let's start on the dashboard sheet. Here you can see your key numbers and status at a glance, no formulas to rebuild. Next, open the main tracker sheet. Add or edit rows, use the drop-down columns for stages and categories, and keep related records linked. To customize the template, first read the Start Here sheet for a quick setup guide. Second, edit list values on the drop-down sheet. Third, replace the sample rows with your own data. Ready to use this template? Visit PlanoraNest.com to download it and explore our full template library. Thanks for watching.